Welcome guys. In this lesson we will learn how to make a logo for education system, school or other one. So in this lesson we will describe how to make this logo. First, go to file, go to Illustrator in open, and then come to here or pen. Click in here or click here and here, or hold Alt plus, click in here, here or here, and make this one. This is good. So and then click in here or here and click in here. 1 minute, sorry, delete this one. Click in. 1 minute, click in here or first click here and then click here and click here. Okay, so I'll hold Alt, click in this point, or come to here, click in this one. So and then change background color in black. Select this one. When you select this one, Ctrl plus G, hold Ctrl plus G for grouping. Okay, so right click, go to arrange, go to transform and reflect vertical copy. Click in here or rotate this one. Click this one and rotate. So click in, move up. Select this logo and right click, group. This is group. Okay. So after that, go to what? Go to shapes and get polygon tool. Click in this one or 5. Okay, when you get when you get this one, and increase the size and rotate this one. Okay, when you rotate this one, go to what? Go to file and non-file. So the point or stroke is a little bit large. Click what? Click in here, click or click here. Okay, and hold up arrow key. And this is enough. Click this one or bring here, or click this one, bring here. So go to what? Go to pen and art point this one, or go to this one, click. 1 minute, go to do and this. So go to back or bring here, come to down, click this one, select this, hold shift and then select this one, or go to up. Click this one and bring what? Here, shift alt a little small. So when you get this one, so now come what? Now come to here, no, and here get line, click in here or draw this one. So when you draw this, click what? Right click, anchor point in, click this one or move up. So click this one and increase the size. So when you increase the size, bring in down. So now I'm writing a name. Type your name here for school or for other education system. So click this one, Ctrl plus A, hold Ctrl plus A, increase the size. So regular no, and I wanna change the font. This is Times New Roman, okay. Select this one and bring here. Okay, go to what? Go to object, and envelope or make with wrap and decrease the envelope. Okay, this one. So this is okay. So and then go to shapes, right click in, get what? Star, click. I wanna 4 point. Okay, so this one. Now bring it what? Bring in here. So rotate this one, rotate and decrease the size. Shift Alt, decrease the size. Bring in here or stroke is none and go to this one. And then hold Alt, another copy. Shift Alt, decrease the size. Okay, and then get Alt or bring this one. So and then Alt, duplicate this one or select this one, duplicate also and duplicate. So and then go to what? Go to point, go to pen, click this one, go to and click this one, go to or select this and then right click or go to this one and click this or rotate this a little, rotate. And then duplicate this one, delete this one, select this one, right click, go transform, reflect, vertical, copy or okay. Bring in here. So and then click this one, go to object, part, offset part, and this one is minus no 50. Preview this one, this nice 50 no 25. Preview, this is good. Select this one and decrease the line size and go to here, go to border color, change the color. This is good. Select this one and go to it, go to here and change the color. When you change the color, select this one, also changing this one. So okay, changing this color, select this one and change. No, select this one and change the color. So this is right. So now go to what, go to pen and click in here or here, and then this one, alt, hold alt plus, go to what, go to windows and workspace. What workspace? Essential classic. When you come essential classics, click on brushes. Brushes, go to what, go to here, border and border lines, click in this one. After this, come here and go to, come here, no, go back, go, other, go to one, go here, border or border lines, click, and select this one. When you select this, enclose this one. Okay, if you wanna give custom color, click on here or go to object in expand appearance. So go to what, go to background color and give a color. Okay, so and then go to what windows, workspace, no, click this one and alt plus, hold alt and bring here. Okay, right click, transform, rotate 120 and 120, rotate this one, bring what, bring in here, rotate, or increase this one, rotate. So okay, and then go to what, go to shapes, right click, select this one first. So when you select this one and then go to what, go to ellipse, bring here and click what, click this one, click in here or rotate this click in this one or click in here and decrease the size, or go to what, go to direct selection, click this one, hold shift this one, so increase the size and rounded this one. Okay, so when you rounded this one, this is select, right click, group. So and then you will go to what, go to shapes, get rectangle. When you select this one or go to up. Okay, select all these shapes and right click, group, decrease the size, bring in here, right click, arrange, send to backward, right click, arrange into backwards into back, right click, send to back. So after that, close this one and go to what, go to this one or draw this one. When you draw this, click in here or change the color. The color is selecting this one or line, none outline. Go to effect and texturizer or texturizer. So and then decrease the what, relief. When you decrease this, okay. Okay, right click and send to back. Go to arrange, send to back. This is the perfect. Okay, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.